Hello, dear children. Today we are going to study passive voice. Actually, some of the parents were of this opinion that actually there are some students those are weak at grammar section and they need it. So I'm going to start your voice first because this is in the syllabus also. And dear parents and students, I wish to tell you one thing, that actually the grammar is integrated. It starts from number, gender, person, case, and it just goes on up to the syntax and another things also, syntax, synthesis, syntax, transformation, everything. So it's very broad, ocean-like thing. So that's why it was started when the children were in just class 2 or 3. So it is expected that up to class 8th and 9th, the students must be acquainted with the basics of the grammar. Still, if somebody is in the need of tenses, if somebody is in the need of parts of speech or number, gender, person, case also, if you ask me to tell them all these things also, I will definitely go to explain the things. I will try my best to take you to the world of high school, because the level that is telling you something high, that demands some prior knowledge also. Prerequisites are needed. And anyhow, what I see that the videos, those are being posted by me on YouTube. They are being watched by just 13, 14 students. Though the number of students are, I think, 80 around. So where the rest are, I don't know. But definitely one day we will come together at the same point in the class. And at that time, there will be no chance to go to live the same life, to use the same time which you are going to spend unnecessarily here and there. And if you are reluctant to study right now when you are free, you are not supposed to go here and there or waiting for bus or going to school and coming, and it takes too much time in transportation. So without making any impediment, without making any pretense, what I expect that you sincerely you try to study. If you feel like anything that is not coming to you, if you find anything wrong with the lecture, if you find anything that is difficult for you or language that is used by the teacher, please do tell me, send me a message on my WhatsApp number that is there in the group itself. You can use that and send me the feedback, and I will definitely go to improve and address your problem. Your problem will definitely be addressed, but for that I need your concern. Don't take it lightly, dear. This is my suggestion to you. Rest is in your own hand, and the parents are also at the same time requested to look after the children, how they are studying, and whether they are doing the homeworks of each and every subject or not. I don't say that they should be studying English only, but if they are studying science and maths and anything else, then English is equally important or more important when it comes to the term of your the mode of examination. The mode of language is English only. So I request you, let your students know the importance of it and let me know what they need. Okay, now come to voice. You see, there are two parts of voice: active and passive. Dear children, you see, it's very obvious that it tells about something active. Means when something is being done actively, the thing is taken to be active voice. And when something is being done passively, then it is passive voice. अब आपको ये समझने की जरूरत है आखिर ये एक्टिव और ये पैसिव कैसे है. आई एम टेलिंग यू. Imagine I am going to tell in the class, Akshat, you are going to learn this chapter. Then Akshat will be very specific about it, and he will take it seriously that sir has said and I have to study it out. So there is an agent who is definite and he is going to start the journey of his learning. And imagine I am saying this chapter is to be learnt. मैंने ऐसे ही बोल दिया कि दिस चैप्टर इज टू बी लर्न या दिस वर्क इज टू बी डन एंड आई डोंट एट होम ऑल्सो इमेजिन योर पापा इज सेइंग dear children, this work is to be done and you are 4 or 3 or 2 okay member at the house. He did not specify who will go to do what. Then what happens? Everybody is happy. Okay, Papa did not say me, Papa did not say to me, Papa did not say to him, so nobody is responsible. At the end of the day, when Papa will return home and he will ask why the work is not done, then everybody will be saying, Papa, आपने मेरे से तो नहीं कहा था, you didn't tell me to do. So everything will be skipped. But imagine Papa is saying, no, Mohit will do this, okay, Manjula will do this, then definitely everybody will be very particular about the accomplishment of the work. So this happens in the voice also. Okay, I hope you have got. So active voice and passive voice. In a